Hello, my name is Andrew Diltz. I'm the facilities director. We handle new construction, remodel, the maintenance, the landscaping, basically everything that you need from acquiring property to building a building and maintaining it over the useful life of that structure. Right now we are working with KDADS, the state of Kansas, to build a mental health hospital. It's a very unique collaboration and how our role is involved in that, and something that we're very excited to be a part of. We also have a new ComCare crisis building that'll be coming on here in about a year and a half. We also have a juvenile services building coming online. It's currently in design right now. We're very excited to continue the development of the juvenile programs and the juvenile complex.
We have 43 facilities that county's responsible, county-owned facilities, and then we have 8 leases that we do limited maintenance on, depending on what that lease entails. I think there's a misconception of maintenance is hanging pictures on walls and emptying trash and that type of thing.
Yeah, we're just making sure they're not clogged up.
We have everything from entry-level maintenance positions with guys with no experience whatsoever when they start, up to licensed trade positions that tackle the heating and air and the plumbing and the electrical and take care of all that.
Every day is challenging, yeah. You never know what you're going to get into until you clock in and start the day. From small things, from preventative maintenance, changing filters or something, to a huge plumbing leak, to shutting the water off and doing a big piping repair, whatever that needs to be done.
So we have multiple teams in place, and they are responding in the middle of the night, on the weekends, over the holidays. It never stops.
We're behind the scenes, but without a facilities maintenance, the building would quickly fall apart.
We have a very good team. There's a lot of good camaraderie and morale within our department.
It's like a big family.